Today we will discuss about the concept of DC machine of rotating parts. So rotor. Yesterday I have already discussed about the stationary part. So today I will discuss about the rotating parts of a DC machine. Or now the principle of operation. Rotor is the rotating parts of a DC machine. It consists of armature winding and commutator. Now the armature core consists of armature core. It is a cylindrical or drum shaped and is built up usually circular sheets, steel disc or stack of circular steel laminations about 0.4 to 0.6 mm thick. These laminations are insulated from one another to reduce the eddy current losses. Now these are given the construction. Now the armature core serves two purposes. It houses the armature conductors or coil into slots, and second, it provides the low reluctance part to the magnetic flux, that is phi upon 2. Second is armature winding. The armature winding is made from copper, जो कि हम लोग स्लॉट में घुसाए हुए रहते हैं, उसको हम लोग आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग कहते हैं. It consists of large number of insulated coils, each coil having one or more turns. The coils are usually former wound. And third is the commutator. It is a cylindrical structure. It is built up of V-shaped segments of high conductivity hard drawn copper to reduce its wear and tear. Segments are insulated from each other by 0.8 mm thick mica sheets. तो ये जानना जरूरी है हमें कि कम्यूटेटर क्या, द फंक्शन ऑफ कम्यूटेटर इज टू कन्वर्ट द AC voltage into DC voltage in case of generator, and in case of motor it converts DC current into AC current. So it is a mechanical rectifier in case of DC generator, and in case of DC motor it is work as a mechanical inverter. एंड इट्स हार्ड ड्रॉन कॉपर. ये ध्यान में रखिएगा कि इसका जो बना हुआ था वो हार्ड ड्रॉन कॉपर का बना हुआ रहता है, एंड ये वे शेप्ड रहता है. नाउ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑपरेशन ऑफ DC जनरेटर. DC जनरेटर ऑपरेट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डायनेमिकली इंड्यूस्ड EMF. इसमें जो भी इंड्यूस्ड EMF होता है डायनेमिकली होता है. Whenever a conductor is placed and moved in a magnetic field, it cuts the magnetic flux. Then dynamically induced EMF is produced in it according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This EMF is causes a current to flow if the conductor circuit is closed. The direction of induced EMF is given by Fleming's right hand rule. Let a conductor of length L meter moves with velocity v meter per second at angle theta with the direction of magnetic field B, then the magnitude of induced EMF is given by E is equal to BLV sin theta. So if theta is equal to 0, that means यदि फील्ड एंड वेलोसिटी दोनों का जो एंगल 0 रहता है, then there is no EMF induced. And if theta is 90 degree, that means if velocity of conductor and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, then the highest large EMF is induced, maximum EMF is induced. Again, the principle of operation of DC motor. Working of DC motor is based on the principle that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a mechanical force whose direction is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Let a conductor of length L meter carrying current I is placed in a magnetic field B at angle theta, then the mechanical force experienced by the conductor is given as F is equal to BIL sin theta. So हम लोग जब भी यूज कर सकते हैं, one machine can be used as same machine can be used as a DC generator or DC motor. If we place a conductor in a magnetic field and we rotate the conductor, then EMF is induced and it works as a DC generator. If in the we place the conductor in magnetic field and we give the current in the conductor, then the torque is produced and it works as a DC motor. But हमें डीसी जनरेटर एक प्राइम मूवर चाहिए, तो प्राइम मूवर के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि आपको कोई भी डायनेमो लगाते हैं, आपको डीजल इंजन लगाते हैं ताकि उसको जनरेटर को रोटेट कराएं। लेकिन बेसिकली जो पार्ट है डीसी मोटर और डीसी जनरेटर का वो दोनों सेम है। अगर सेम मशीन में हम लोग करेंट देते हैं तो मोटर की तरह काम करेगा, और अगर सेम मशीन को हम लोग रोटेट कराते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में तो वो ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड करेगा और वो जनरेटर की काम करेगा। ओके, थैंक यू।